So take a look at Litecoin. Yeah, the market has been exploding. It hit $125.20 recently. Is the next stop 150? It looks like it. Real simple, right? Let me go ahead and talk about Litecoin real quick, and then I'll let you all go. If you appreciate the content, like as always, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more of this content, because I'm pretty much the only one on this platform that is dropping these price predictions and not giving you both narratives of the market. Hey, it could go up. Hey, also, it could also go down too. No. If the market is leaning more towards one direction, then that is the bias that we're going to drop. Like in this particular situation with Litecoin, we're going to say that the market's going to go higher. Clearly, you can see it. The market is trending. So why would anyone come in and try to give you the other narrative that Litecoin could also go down? Why? This is a very strong market being controlled by buyers. Now, when we did our last video on Litecoin, we didn't drop a price prediction because it was too uncertain. But now the buyers has eliminated the sellers in these three pockets of selling that we created. Again, more confirmation that you need to be biased towards the buyers and not the sellers. The sellers are not winning right now. So we could get rid of these pockets of selling right here and here. And Litecoin is trending. This is what the market looks like in Litecoin. And the great part is it's trending so much that we even exceeded the high points here from July high in 2023, and then here again in March of 2024. These were apex in the market for Litecoin that the buyers could not move out the way. These sellers at these high points in June, July 2023, and then again at March 2024, hey, the sellers was telling them, I am staked right here. I'm not moving. So every time price ran up to that price point, $115 or so, we came right back down. But not this time. Look at that. We exploded through that $110, $115 price level. Again, this market is being controlled by buyers. So now let's look at Litecoin on a different time frame. Well, first, let me show you where price is that we haven't seen the market that Litecoin hit in like forever. Okay, so you guys can see that the market currently is trading at $134, right? The last time we saw the market in Litecoin trade here was March of 2022. Think about that. Yes, well over 2 years. We haven't seen price in Litecoin hit this area. So the people who bought Litecoin back in 2022 around $133, you are now at least seeing your investment break even. Okay. Crazy incident. Now these are areas of problems or issue in Litecoin. Okay, these are all pockets of selling now. The newest areas of pocket of selling. You guys can see that we actually got rid of that one yesterday, so let's get rid of that. We don't need that one. But the market got hit with sellers around 140. So now we know what's the next current issue for the buyers. Okay, so we're going to see price continue to go up. Look, do you think the buyers have enough willpower, enough money in their accounts to take out the people who are trying to sell now in this area? If you think that's the case, then the idea would be, hey, we're going to continue to see the market in Litecoin at least try to run a 150. What do you guys think? Take a look at Litecoin here on the 2-day chart. We're already seeing what the market wants to do. It's giving us a clue. It's giving us a hint saying, look, come in here and buy. Now, I've already told you, if you see my content, yes, we do have signals on our chart, but they are not powerful enough to break pockets of selling. These are stronger than signals. Okay, the pockets of buying and the pockets of selling. So if price ever comes to a pocket of buying and or selling, then that is where the test is going to be to see if the market really wants to take price in a certain direction, whether higher or lower. Here is Litecoin on the 3. 2 indications that the market is trying to go up. right? Here it is on the 4. Another indication that the market is bullish. Now we still got 2 days and 13 hours, so this can definitely go away. 5. Man, look at that. Another signal that Litecoin wants to go up. Again, 2 days, 13 hours, that could go away. Weekly chart. Litecoin on the 2 weeks. 3. This is fantastic. I like the 3 right here. That 3-weekly price bar. This 3-weekly price bar, as you can see, it's a little bit cleaner. Allow price to break those highs that we talked about in 2023 and 2024. And the crazy part is that now, let me zoom in so you guys can see it. That area that was once acting as resistance, look what it did now on this current 3-weekly price bar. It touched it as support. So now we know that this area 115 needs to be maintained as support. If the market Litecoin is going to continue to go higher, it has to hold that area. And it did a fantastic job already holding $115 as support. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Very, very bullish right there. Okay. And on the monthly chart, last month, signal of buy. The last time we had a signal of a buy on the monthly chart was back in August of 2021. Look at the market price action then. So hopefully I conveyed the point that the market here in Litecoin still wants to go higher. Okay, now what I want to do is I want us to go ahead and drop some pockets of buying too. Since price has elevated and increased, we need to follow the market and create the areas that buyers supported the price. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is we're going to get rid of these other pockets of buying down here now, since Litecoin is not trading at these areas. Let's get rid of that one too. Okay, so now targets. First one is going to be at the high of this seller's pocket, $145, 8.18% there. Second target is going to be 150, 12.3%. Our third target is going to be all the way up here, either at the low or the high of the second seller's pocket. 161.27 is the high, 20.77% there. All right, so that is it. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.